I'm Linda Muma with the Stanislaus County Office of Emergency Services. Last week, members of our faith-based organizations here in Stanislaus County held a live Facebook question and answer forum on our social media channels. They've come up with a checklist to help places of worship prepare for when they're given the green light and are able to accept people back in. This is what that guidance looks like. Churches, temples, and other places of worship are still not allowed to reopen as they normally would under California's current public health order.
Everyone has gone online, has practiced in different ways, and has done everything that they can in order to be safe for the community.
But a team of Stanislaus County faith leaders from different denominations are already working together to prepare for when they do.
We felt that it was important that the congregations and the churches had a document in their hand so that they can begin now to train their staff as well as their churches and their leadership about how church is going to look after we open.
Over the last month or so, the group came up with a list of recommendations now posted to the Stan Emergency website called the Safe Worship Guidance.
So thankful that the imam, that the rabbi was a part of it, that there were various places from Waterford to Patterson to Modesto and Turlock represented in this group. So this really represents a good swath of our county.
Members of the task force say the guidelines aren't meant to be exhaustive or legally binding, but are meant to help places of worship think through next steps on how to safely begin gathering once the state enters its next couple of phases of reopening.
One of the key features of this information is that the county and the state is not dictating how we practice our faith and observe our rituals. They are providing guidance as to how to do so safely and legally at this challenging time.
The guidance covers everything from how to prevent infections to how to sanitize between services, and there's even a section on how to modify rituals and to protect parishioners most at risk of contracting COVID-19.
The most important goal is for our members to feel safe and be safe.
Something the group says can be achieved when everyone works together.
The stopping of a second wave of this really depends on us doing this well together. So take this seriously for the joy of our city and our county.
The guidance was reviewed by the Emergency Operations Center as well as Dr. V, our public health officer. You can find the information on our website, stanemergency.com. Just search for coronavirus information and guidance.